Alright, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on front door faceplate. The screws and the faceplate on the front door are stripped out, so it's causing problems sometimes where that faceplate kind of backs off a little bit, and it's not letting the door, it's hard to open the door from the outside sometimes. So it's because of the screws and the faceplate are stripped. Today I'm going to show you an easy, simple way without possibly having to go to the hardware store to get anything. You possibly have this stuff laying around the house to repair this. It's an easy fix. Only thing you'll need is a drill. I have a little box cutter, razor blade box cutter thing, and the little paint stirrers from Home Depot that they give you when you buy a gallon of paint or whatever. You possibly have some of those laying around the house if you've done any painting before. So let's go see what we come up with, man, and thanks for tuning in. First thing we want to do is take the screws out of the faceplate of the door. So I got my drill, and I'm going to take these screws out. Once we get these screws out, the next step, we want to take the paint stirrer stick, or like if you can find a small piece of wood, what we want to do is we want to fill those screw holes with some wood. And what's going to happen once we're going to take that wood, we're going to place them in the screw holes. Once we take our screws and screw them into that, the pressure of that is going to cause the little wood chips in there to form tightly around the screws, so that it will take care of the strip problem. So you want to stuff the little wood chips inside the hole, place them in there firmly, break off the ends. I didn't show you on this video, but I kind of firmly pushed that wood up in there to get ready for the screws. So now that I got that ready, I'm getting it ready. Our next step is to take our screws and the drill, and we're about to screw it in there. Now this is the first time I'm trying this, so we're gonna see how this thing works. And I did have a lot of success with it. It was it screwed up in there pretty good, and it was firm, tight, like it was screwing into brand new wood. So it worked for me. You know, hopefully it'll work for you. Simple process, very cheap. It didn't cost me anything. I just had the stuff laying around the house. So it's just one of those things where I thought I was going to have to go to the hardware store and get like some wood glue. I've heard that wood filler or something put in those screw holes, but a good friend of mine told me to try this, and worked out pretty good.